Hello beautiful souls. So today we are going to do a quick reading on what the person in your mind thinks and feel for you, what they are going through right now, and what is currently happening with you. Okay, so we'll do a quick reading. This will be a general reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see what does a person in your mind thinks and feel for you. There is a sneaky energy. Maybe the person is kind of trying to have an eye on you and figuring out what is going on with you. For some of you, it can be like they are tired of putting efforts and now they want to see what efforts you are going to put from your end, and they are kind of waiting. So for some of you, I also see the person is kind of dealing with the two situations here. Maybe there are two people involved in this connection and they are not able to decide which one they need to opt for. Basically, they are struggling to make a choice, but at the same time they have left everything to the universe, that whatever will happen is divinely written. If it is written, it will happen. If not, they cannot do anything about it, and they are kind of trying to create a balance, being handling the situation in a very delicate and focused manner, and mainly they are trying to keep themselves busy in their work. They are kind of done with the situation and they are thinking whether they should take a move towards you or not. Maybe they are thinking that they should move on, and instead of waiting in this situation, they should focus on their own growth. They are also ready to make an offer to you if they get the chance, and they want to communicate with the pure intention, pure emotions, pure feelings towards you. They may think of reaching out to you. They are focusing themselves on work, as I said, but at the same time they are feeling lonely and left out. There are so many thoughts running in their mind, but at the same time they are kindly, as I said, they are trying to keep themselves busy in work and not giving too much importance to their emotions and feelings right now. Let's see what are the messages from your ancestors coming in. Be the light. So for you, the advice is focus on the positivity. Don't focus on the negative side, dark side. Focus on the positivity. Focus on how much caring, loving, nurturing you are, and be the light for your own situation, for your own darkness. Track down your fears and desires. Whatever is fearing you, whatever is kind of stopping you from moving ahead in your life, just fight your fears and move ahead in your life, and you will see the growth. Okay, so nothing can stop you, only you and your fear can stop you. Okay, so that's the energy, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.